Edges on what? Edges on fleek, baby.
Started with nothing, look at me now, I made a way for me. Remember them times when it was hard for me to save a G. The cars weren't always foreign, but we would get from A to B. Interior in the Beamer tan, Benz got some white seats. Hold on, baby, what's your name? Mr. Face for me. She from Memphis, from behind, looking like a Georgia peach.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Dominique LaShae for those who don't know me. And y'all, this video is very true to my heart because this is the first company. Let's talk about it. This is the first company I ever had a sponsorship with. I've been working with Betterlength, y'all, since 2019. Every ponytail you see me with is Betterlength ponytail. Like, Betterlength is the only ponytails I wear. Ponytails is top tier, A1. Like I was saying, they ponytails, this is one of the very first ponytails I have. If y'all know me, I'm a ponytail girl. This is the straight yaki. This is the curly. I have every ponytail Betterlength ever sent me. Their ponytails are high quality. Y'all know how old this ponytail is. You can't even tell. It's still intact. This the straight one though. We ain't worried about her. We on this curly, kinky curly right here. I'm gonna have everything about the ponytail linked in the description box. Shout out to Betterlength for sponsoring this video. Huge thank you to Betterlength working with me over all these years. Y'all are true to my heart. I love y'all so much. So y'all already know how we do it into my video. We just get into it, but I had to stop and give Betterlength they props, baby. Because when I say they send me a ponytail ready to go, when Bates text you and say let's go to Christmas dinner and you don't want him to see your ponytail the size of an onion, you need to go on their website and order a ponytail because it takes less than 10 minutes to do. So let's get into it.
My direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Understanding that my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right when I see you, when I see you. I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone, get nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hit my face.
Okay y'all, so the key to a sleek ponytail is, as you see, I'm doing it in sections. Your parts do not have to be straight because it's going to be a ponytail. Just don't take all the hair and try to stuff it in the ponytail. Don't do that because it's going to be lumped up. Let's get back into it.
What's the reason why? You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby.
Okay, so do not leave your hair like this. Like your first ponytail not gonna be the complete ponytail. We just use the gel because it's easier for the comb to slide through. This is what's gonna lay it down, the even edge control. So y'all already know we not broke. Like, we gonna dig into it. You gonna put this all over, and it's gonna take a minute because my hair is wet. Now y'all can really kind of see the difference. So my hair is freshly washed, which means it's damp, so I can't lay edges on damp hair. So I'm about to tie this down and wait about an hour, and then we're gonna get into the edges and we're gonna do that ponytail. So give me an hour and I'll be right back. So we're gonna take a little more edge control and make sure this is good and slick back. Play with your mama, don't worry about how much edge control I'm putting in my head. That's why your ponytail all beat up and napped up and just not sleek, so mind your business. My favorite part, I don't play no games when it comes to the edges. That's why she just beat up. I'm gonna try my best to walk y'all through this. Put the edge control on the perimeter. So you see what it is right there? You gonna, bam, pull it on down. That's what you doing, y'all getting the concept? If you want an edge video, let me know. Now you see how easy it is to swoop it because we're doing this on clean hair.
I ain't making love no more.
Y'all see that? You said play with who? And we ain't bringing out edges all the way down here. We ain't doing all that. We don't want that. Smooth like a baby's bottom. So today, let's see which one they sent me. I think this is the 16-inch curly, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna have everything listed down below in the description box. Look at her. I been hearing y'all talk about them companies that hair smell. Betterlength ain't never sent me nothing stinking. Do you hear me? Check out her. Look at her. She ready to work. You ain't even gotta do too much. Shake her out, baby. That's all you gotta do. She ain't gonna tangle. You're gonna take that top comb right there, cause she ready to work. You're gonna put that top comb as close to that ponytail as you can. You putting that bottom one in. We're pulling that drawstring. Y'all see the drawstring, right? We're pulling it. Drawstring. Wrap it around. Tuck her in. Full ready to work. Do you hear me? Soft, fluffy, bouncy. Bouncy, baby, bouncy. You're gonna take some hair. We just gotta make her look natural. Take some little hair. We're using this again. And when I say this is a quick, like when Baytex, get ready to be ready in 30 minutes, we're gonna go out. And you don't wanna walk around because you know your hair little. And you don't want him to see you with that little onion ponytail. You better go on Betterlength and get you a ponytail and extend that ponytail. That's it. That's how you do it. Get into it. Get into her. Bouncy, ready to go. She is very much full. Okay, so a quick one thing about Betterlength, y'all. They are gonna send you a brochure so you can see how to take care of the hair. And if you go by this brochure, your ponytails will last. I have every single ponytail they ever sent me. So please take this packet out and read it before you just start wearing your ponytail. Take care of it. Our hair is our kids. Like, treat her right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to go shop on Betterlength website. Everything is linked down below, y'all. Baby, and be sure to go get a ponytail so you can be looking good as me. Bye.